To You Decide coverage now, 3 days before Election Day. The Wisconsin Court of Appeals delivers a win to Elon Musk and his America PAC group. The court will not block Musk's planned payments to Wisconsin voters. Wisconsin Attorney General Josh Kaul filed a lawsuit Friday trying to block it while asking his lawsuit be sent to the Court of Appeals. Musk says he plans to pay $2 million. $1 million each to two Wisconsin voters who will act as spokesmen for America's PAC petition against so-called activist judges. The billionaire businessman first offered $100 to registered voters in our state that signed this petition. Now, in a post on X, Musk says he plans to personally hand that money away during a town hall tomorrow night in Green Bay. He's been supporting the conservative candidate in the state Supreme Court race, Waukesha County Judge Brad Schimmel. It's unclear if Schimmel will be there. The online posting for the event says it's only open to those who have signed that petition. We don't know where it will be just yet. This is the most expensive Supreme Court race ever, according to the Brennan Center for Justice, at $81 million in spending and counting. It could be because the court's balance is up for grabs come Tuesday. Dane County Judge Susan Crawford, a liberal, is running against Schimmel there left to right. Now, tonight, both candidates crisscross southeast Wisconsin to make their final push to voters. Our Stephanie Quirk tagged along, too.
It's the final stretch for Dane County Judge Susan Crawford.
Let's win this election.
And Waukesha County Judge Brad Schimmel.
God bless you. Thank you.
Both candidates running for the state's highest court are hoping to gain whatever votes they can Saturday in southeast Wisconsin in a race the entire country is watching.
Focused on the state of Wisconsin and, protecting the rights of our citizens and our families.
I'm running to be their justice. I'm running for all of Wisconsin.
The Brennan Center for Justice says money poured into the race has reached more than $81 million. Groups funded by Elon Musk pitched in around $17 million of that to Schimmel's campaign. And for Crawford, Democratic billionaires George Soros and Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker donated a combined $3.5 million.
Somebody like Elon Musk trying to buy a seat on the Wisconsin Supreme Court. I think people across the state are really concerned about that.
I'm running my campaign. Whatever Elon Musk is doing, those are his choices.
Choices that could drive turnout come Tuesday. The Wisconsin Elections Commission reports nearly double the amount of ballots during early voting this spring compared to the last high-stakes Supreme Court race 2 years ago.
I am not willing to let my opponent lie and cheat her way to the Wisconsin Supreme Court.
Make sure that we're doing everything that we can to overcome the now $25 million plus that he's put into this race.
But ultimately, you will decide whether the court stays liberal or flips conservative. Stephanie Quirk, Fox 6 News.
Both candidates have more stops, rallies, and talks planned through Tuesday when the polls are open from 7 a.m. until 8 p.m. We'll have coverage all night, both here on air and on the Fox Local mobile app. In this week's episode of Open Record, Fox 6 investigator Brian Polson invites Fox 6 political reporter Jason Calvi to discuss how these races could impact issues in Wisconsin and across the country. Jason breaks down the significance of the state superintendent and Wisconsin Supreme Court races. Catch Open Record on Sundays at 11 p.m. right here on Fox 6. It is also available anytime on Fox Local. That's our free streaming app.